Today we're going to be doing baby back ribs on our RecTec, and we got to start by preparing the meat. So what we got here is our baby back ribs. Now we're going to take the membrane off. Sometimes it's a little bit hard to do. I always wear gloves and it's usually a little bit easier to get off, but most people like to start in the middle. So you take this membrane off right here. It's on the back of the ribs. Sometimes they come off easy and sometimes they're a little bit difficult. This one's doing pretty good. Now we're going to flip this thing over. I like to take and have it dry. Make sure our seasoning gets on here good. We're going to put this on as a base for our rub. You can use different stuff. Some people don't use a base at all. I like to use this on pork butt too. Alright, we got our molasses all on here. The next thing we're going to do is put on the rub. Alright, the first thing we're going to do, we like to mix a little bit of this RecTec rub. I like the Screaming Pig rub here. That's one of the things I put on first. And then after that, I'll show you the next one. Just lightly coat this here on. Don't wipe it off, just light coat on here. Pat it on just a little bit. The next one we're going to use is a honey rib rub. That's a little sweet and you got a little heat. Alright, we got it all rubbed down, ready to go on the smoker. We got the bottom all rubbed up too. The smoker is going to be set at 275. Alright folks, here we are making a rib apple glaze for our ribs later. We got applesauce. You can get these little cups. They come in the containers you buy for your kids. Any generic good old applesauce will work. This is about a half a cup right here. We dump this in here. Get that out. We got a half a cup of honey. Fun fact, honey never expires. Got a half a cup of barbecue sauce here. Using our RecTec gourmet barbecue sauce. Delicious. In case you're wondering, you're looking all over for Tella cherry black pepper. Right here it is. What's the measure this? We're just gonna a little bit in here. Just for taste, how I really like it. Little salt. We got our Tapatio hot sauce. We'll measure this, supposed to be a teaspoon. We'll mix this all up right here. And then we'll put it in the refrigerator, and this will be our rib apple glaze for later. Alright, we're back out here at the RecTec. It's up to 275 here. Ready to put our ribs on. We got our ribs ready to go. We're going to throw those on the smoker. We're about to do a mop sauce on these things. Got to do this about every hour or so. Looking good, looking good. Basically just some apple juice, a little red wine vinegar, some oil, a little rub. This one here, keep the ribs nice and moist while they're cooking. Alright, we're back at the RecTec. We got some brown sugar and honey. We're going to take a rack of ribs off. We're going to put it meat side down, wrap it up in the foil, and then we're going to put it back on the RecTec. Woo, that looks good right there. There we go. We'll see you back at the RecTec in a few more hours. at the RecTec. We got both of our racks of baby backs here. One of them's been wrapped in foil for a couple hours. We're going to take it out of the foil, baste it with our Apple Glaze. The other one we're just going to let ride. Here we go. Oh, whoa, yeah. All right, we got it out of the foil. We got our Apple Glaze here. Base this on here. Oh man, looks so good. All right, of course, after we get them done, we got to take a quick bite right here. These ones are falling apart. Let's have a little sample. Woo, that looks really, really hot. Really delicious. We hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to check out Bull Butter Outdoors on Instagram or Facebook.